I show you how to make Chinese noodle dish without any Asian ingredients and using pasta. Everything is easy to find. Start by marinating the chicken. Cut 4-5 into chunks. Put them in a mixing bowl. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Put them with the chicken. Then add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Combine. Let rest while continuing the preparation. I chose to use trofie pasta because once cooked and sautéed, they remain a little firm. You can use any other form of pasta, such as penne or spaghetti. To replace Asian sauces, use 4 anchovy fillets. Fish brings umami and even more when it has got a fermentation process. Cut them into small pieces. Cut 2 cabbage leaves into chunks. Finely cut the hard parts. $100 grams of mushrooms, 1 onion, two small tomatoes, cut into julienne, 1 carrot, one turnip, half bell pepper, chop 4 cloves of garlic, cut the green onion and the cilantro in 2 sections. Put 1 tablespoon of salt in a pot of boiling water. Cook the pasta for 9 minutes over high heat. Take 1 minute off the cooking time indicated on the package. Drain them. In a pan heated over high heat, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let the caramel appear. When you can see small bubbles and a little smoke, add the chopped garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Put the chicken pieces. Spread them well. Bring the garlic over the chicken to prevent it from burning. Leave 30 seconds. Then stir for 30 seconds. Add the anchovy pieces. Stir for 1 minute. They will completely melt. Put the onion. Stir for 20 seconds. Put the carrots and the turnip. Stir for 1 minute. Add the mushrooms, the bell pepper, and the cabbage. Briefly stir. Add the tomatoes, half a tablespoon of salt, and half teaspoon of ground pepper. Stir for 3 minutes. Add the pasta. Turn to medium heat and stir for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Finally, add the green onion and the cilantro. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. The Chinese sauté pasta is ready. Bon appétit! We cannot feel the anchovies in the dish, but thanks to their umami flavor, we have a lasting and appetizing taste. With its easy to find and adaptable ingredients, it's completely prepared the Chinese way. The caramel and garlic make it a Chinese stir-fry pasta dish. Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.